friends, Natasha with Natasha'ScrapbooKorner, and today I'm coming to you with another finished project. This is a card that I created. It's a multi moving parts. I don't even know what to say. It's sliding, folding, pulling, you name it. This card moves. So let's get started. I'll just show you along the way. So I was using few items. I was using the Sizzix card making thin list fold along die cut by Allison. So purchased it at Michael's, I'm sure, with a coupon, and then I stumbled up on this DCWV with the glitter, the Primrose cardstock, and I really liked it, so I decided to give it a try. Okay, so those are basic materials, and the rest just, my personal stash, I guess. So it's a jar of memories, of course. It has a belly band around it in order for it to stay, to stay closed. So if we're gonna slide belly band, that's gonna come into two parts. So here's the belly band. Looks like this. I used the punch in one of the cards. On the bottom I used just a dangle trim, pom-pom trim from my shop, and this lace is from my stash, and the beaded dangle trim is from my stash as well. So so the card comes like this, and it folds and folds out. The only thing I doubled on the paper. So, and it unfolds like this, which is kind of clever, right? It creates like 3 jars. So if recipient wants to reuse them, that's great. And this one is the card itself with the message. It's supposed to be serve as a mat, basically this is like the envelope for your card, right? Looks like this. And in here I just used the lace in here, made the bow, put some sequins in here, so the rest actually up to paper. So the paper dresses up the template really well. So that's one moving part, then another moving part, and then the third moving part. So originally, by the design, it was supposed to be just a message mat where you write your note. Well, I took it a little farther, and I created a slider card. One of those sliding out things. I like make the project when it's all moving and not as simple. So basically I cut out 3 parts of this note mat, and one became a background, one is the mechanical part, the middle part, and the third part became the top layer. So the top layer I decorated with some lace applique from my shop. This is one of the mats that comes with the collection. It came with a full mat inside. I just hand cut out this element, opening the window, and glossy accented this element. Be Mine is the die that comes with the jar die cut. Added some lace here, a fake lid and some twine around it, feather and some sequins for sparkle, and that basically finished the jar. So the mechanical part of it comes by pulling on these tabs, and it slides out. Let me put it like this. There is a little pop. So here it is. On the top mat, so that's how it looks on the back side. Nothing fancy. So in here I had printed the art doll and tucked the butterfly wings behind her, and for her head I made the strawberry because the theme is a strawberry cuckoo. Sorry. And I had printed the words as nutty as a fruit cake. So that's the the message. And to fold it, you just need to push it all back in there. So there you go. Yeah, to put it all back, I'm using the tabs in here, and I'm just tucking it on the bottom part, just like that, right? And to close it, just close it like that. Hold it tight for your belly band to fit in. Slide it up. Put your bow on top so it will look representable. Right? And ta-da! So I hope you liked my moving, sliding, pulling, folding and unfolding 3D card. So if you have any questions, I will gladly to answer it if you will type it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.